Hello everyone and welcome back again to another video. So for today I am going to do a manicure using the Triple D January Diva box. So I actually already opened this one and I already also swatched the colors, but I'm just going to show you what's inside if you are curious. But as usual, you will be getting 4 dip powders, and for this month's box you will be getting this amazing tools. So these are like the dotting tools. I really love that these are dual ended, so these are like small, medium and large sizes of dotting tools. And you'll also be getting these super cute like 3D or 5D stickers. And last but not the least, you'll be getting a cherry opulent. So this is a builder gel, and this one is kind of unique because it has like shimmers and it has like super nice color. So this is the swatch of the cherry opulent. It is really super nice and the shimmer is so perfect. So I'm just going to show you also the colors of the dip powders. So before I start my manicure, I'm just going to quickly show you the dotting tool that's included in the box. I really love this dotting tool, especially the smaller ones. I am so excited to use that. And yeah, I think this one is already available in their website. So I'm glad that it is not an exclusive item to the box only. So yeah, let's move on to my manicure. So I decided to go with the thermal changer. So this one is called Pink Puffy Fluffy. So again, this is not an exclusive item to the box. It is already also available on their website, which is really amazing because I am really in love with this color and I really need to stock up on this because you guys, you will be seeing in a while. This one is amazing. So I am going to apply this color to almost all of my nails except for my ring finger because I really wanted this color to stand out. So I am going to apply 3 layers of this color on my 4 nails, but actually even with just 2 layers or just 1 layer, you will already see like the shift or how the color changes. That's why I really love and I highly recommend Triple D thermal dips because they are so sensitive. So even though with 1 dip or 1 layer of that color, you will really see how the color changes. And you will see that it immediately adapts to my body temperature. So you will already see like the gradient or the color changing effect. So this is how it looks like after applying that layer, and I did 3 layers of that. And now moving on to my accent nail, I'll be using Diva Dip 42 for my ring finger. So for this glitter, it is actually exclusive to the box, so it's not available on their website. But they actually offer a dip powder that is similar to this, so I'll be putting a picture here. So this one is called Baby Love, and this is the mani that I created with that color, and I really love this one as well. So yeah, if you are interested, you can actually purchase this and they made it available again. So yeah, going back to my manicure, I am just applying the glitter and we'll be doing about 2 layers of this color. So I'm just removing the glitters first because I want it to be on my last layer so that it won't like get covered. So yeah, I'm just going to apply 1 more layer and I will be back. So after applying all the colors, I am just going to clear encapsulate them with a clear dip powder. So I'm going to use this one from Mani Boss. So I'm just going to apply a layer of clear, and after that, this is how it turned out. So now I am going to apply activator. So I'm just going to let this dry and then do all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I am going to do some nail art. I'll be drawing some hearts and lips, so I'll be using those dotting tool. But first I am going to apply gel base, so I'm going to use this gel base to draw the patterns, and then I'll be doing some pour over dip powders on top of it. So I am going to do the gel method. I am going to use the gel base to draw the pattern, and then later, without curing, I am going to pour over the dip powder. And after I draw the pattern, I am now going to use Diva Dip 40 to pour over the color and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And don't dust off any powders yet, but make sure to really saturate it with the dip powder and then cure it in the lamp already. So this is after I cured it, so now I can dust off excess powders. And as you can see, I do have some stains here, but you can actually remove that. Just use the dotting tool to scrape it. And you can also use a cotton buds and alcohol to clean it further. So I am just going to clean that, and voila, it's already fixed. And after cleaning this, I am going to add some glitter onto it to make it more vibrant, or to make it stand out. So I'm going to use a gel art liner that I got from Amazon. So I actually have a video on this. I'll be putting it in the cards and in the description box. So I'm going to use this red glitter. So I'm going to just apply it on top of the color. Alright, so after that, I am now going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after curing, this is how it looks like. So I am going to use now the stickers. I'll be putting them on my thumb and pinky finger. So since these are stickers, I am just going to stick it on my nail and then I'll be applying gel top coat later. I am just going to trim the length, but these stickers are so amazing because they really lay flat on your nails, and I love the transparent backing of the sticker. So yeah, after I applied that, I am now going to use a gel matte top coat because I really wanted these nails to be matte. So I'm going to apply the matte top coat on my thumb, pointer, and pinky finger only. And for my ring finger, I'll be using a shiny top coat. And for my middle finger, I'm not going to top coat that anymore. So after applying all these top coats, I am now going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after that, this is how it looks like. So I really love how it turned out, but let me just apply some cuticle oil, and I'll be using this one from Scales of a Mermaid. So this scent is no longer available because it was a limited edition, but they have a variety of different scents, so you can also check them out. I'll be putting the link in the description box. So yeah, after that, this is now the finished look. This mani, I think it really turned so cute, and this thermal dip is really amazing. So this is how it looks like when it is cold. So if your hands are cold, it will turn pink, but when it is warm, it will turn pure white. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I will be putting all the products that I use in the description box. So thank you, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!